T-shirts sitting on the roof of the stadium. They're genuinely thorough, courtesy of Pasmana.
Really cover your eyes.
Hey Dad, you know the guy on the car?
Let's do it. Keep your eye out. Don't forget, up for grabs is that Wow Wii Jam audio speaker coming your way directly after the performance.
Don't jump on this. Are you okay standing there?
Also,